DIY peanut garden from trash cans, seriously, can you believe it? Today, I'm gonna show you a super cool and easy way to grow peanuts at home. Step 1. Pick high quality peanut seeds for the best germination rates. Put the seeds in a container. Lightly mist them to start germination. Step 2. Upcycle old trash cans into planters. T-cans make a set. Just a little DIY magic. Check out the video to see how we transform these cans. No need to overcomplicate it. Keep it simple and practical based on your needs. Step 3. Prepare some nutrient-rich soil made for peanuts. Fill your planters with the soil. Plant your sprouted peanuts, leaving some space between them, about 4 to 6 inches apart, for best growth. Plant them about an inch deep. After planting, add a light layer of straw or fine mulch to retain moisture and reduce evaporation. Keep the soil consistently moist. Water thoroughly the first time to saturate the soil, but avoid overwatering. Step 4. When your plants reach about 8 inches tall, start fertilizing. Use a diluted liquid fertilizer, like a balanced NPK water-soluble mix, every 2 to 3 weeks. This will promote strong growth, flowering, and fruiting. Later on, you can increase the phosphorus and potassium levels to encourage fuller peanut development. Step 5. When the lower leaves start to yellow, it's harvest time. Let's get harvesting. Gently pull out the plants, shake off the soil, and remove the peanut pods. Let them air dry. Important tips. The growing time depends on your weather and soil conditions. Adjust watering frequency as needed. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. During rainy seasons, ensure proper drainage. With proper care and maintenance, you can get a great harvest of peanuts right at home, and they'll be delicious. This process is not only eco-friendly, but also a fun way to explore your passion for gardening. So, what do you think of this upcycled peanut growing method? Let me know. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends if it was helpful. And subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips.